Welcome to Wellness with Lapina. Take this moment to give yourself permission to pause. For the next few minutes, allow yourself to rest, reset, and reconnect your mind, body, and spirit. Let the noise of the day fade away. This is your power pause, your moment to step out of the rush and come home to yourself. Here, there is no need for effort, no pressure, no judgment. All that's required is your presence. So let's begin. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Lengthen your spine, soften your shoulders, open your heart. Allow your body to settle naturally. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Notice the surface beneath you supporting you. Feel yourself held and safe. Bring your palms together in prayer position at your heart. Feel the quiet, steady rhythm of your life between your hands. This is your anchor. Let's begin with a few simple breaths. These breaths will instantly calm your nervous system. We will inhale for 4 counts, hold our breath for 4, and exhale for 6. Let's try that. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath, 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale gently, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's repeat that. Inhale for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath, 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With each exhale, release any tensions, worries, or doubts, anything that no longer serves you. Now imagine a river of roots extending from your tailbone deep into the earth, grounding and supporting you. Now draw up energy from the earth into your body. Make it calm, strong, and ready. Now tune into your body as you let go and settle into stillness. Bring your attention to your toes. Feel them soften. Move to your feet and legs. Feel yourself grounded, stable, and connected. Shift to your hips and core. Let all the tension melt away. Move your awareness to your chest and heart. Feel open, spacious, and free. Move into your shoulders and arms. Drop them as you relax. Finally, soften your face and unclench your jaw. Make it smooth, serene. Just smile. Now feel a warm, gentle energy in your center, your inner fire. Allow it to expand, flowing through every part of you, calm, focused, and strong. Take a deep breath and call yourself back into this moment. Release the past, release the future, gather your energy in the here and now. Silently repeat in your mind, I call myself back from the past. I call myself back from the future. I am in the here and now. I call myself back from the past. I call myself back from the future. I am in the here and now. Notice your inner power awakening. You are grounded, aligned, and ready. Allow it to expand, flowing through every part of you, calm, focused, and strong. You are grounded. You are ready. You are clear. Bring your awareness to the space behind your eyes. Stay here for a few moments. Enjoy the stillness. If thoughts arise, any worries, any urgent tasks, or just mental chatter, gently tell yourself that you can deal with them later and let them drift away like clouds across the sky. In this quiet, still space, let your awareness soften. Notice the gentle stirrings of your intuition, like a whisper just beneath the surface. Gently, without pressure, ask yourself, what is the most important thing I need to know today? Don't rush. Don't chase the answer. Let it rise naturally. It may come now, or it may reveal itself later in the day. Trust this subtle guidance. It is wiser than any overthinking, always leading you towards your highest good. Feel yourself resting here in this intelligent, calm stillness. Allow your inner wisdom to gently unfold like a soft light, illuminating your mind and heart. Take a deep grounding breath. Feel your body, mind, and spirit unified, clear, centered, and strong. Place your hands over your heart and silently whisper, "Thank you for this strength, this clarity, this calm." Let gratitude flow through you, anchoring your energy in peace. Feel calm confidence expanding, outward steady, quiet, and powerful. You are here, you are guided, you are powerful. Take 3 final deep breaths. Inhale clarity. Inhale guidance. Inhale power. The guided part of your meditation is complete, but you may continue to rest here in silence, staying connected to this calm as far and as long as you like. When you're ready, gently move your fingers and toes. Open your eyes. You have returned, centered, calm, radiating quiet strength. Carry this energy into your day. Your reset is always here, waiting for you to return home. Thank you for joining us today. See you soon.